Hi everyone, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore and I'm with howcraftcollection.com. Welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Stardust earrings. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Stardust earrings. The tools needed to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, and chain nose pliers. Using an eye pin, we are going to string 3 purple luster coated quartz crystals. And I already have my crystals picked out. So I'm placing the longer crystal in the center. And we're going to string those. Make sure they're tight up against each other. And then we're going to bend the wire. We're going to come in with our wire cutters and trim that end. And using our round nose pliers, we are going to form a simple loop. So we're just going to grab our chain nose pliers, tap that down. If the loop is over to the side, you can bend it back a little bit. Now, using an eye pin, we are going to string 4 sodalite rounds, 4 millimeters. Usually I have the beads in the bowl, but today I'm going to show you when I'm actually working on a project, how I do it. I like to leave it on the strand, and I just pull them off and pass them through. That way, it's a little bit quicker. And now we're bending the wire down. We're getting our wire cutters. We're going to trim that little end. And then we're just rolling the wire towards us to form our simple loop. So there's the first one. We're going to make one more. We're using our eye pin. We're grabbing the beads. We're just coming in. We put the 4 beads on. We're going to bend the wire down. With our wire cutters, we're going to trim that end. And then using our round nose pliers, we're just rolling the wire towards us, forming a simple loop. And we can come in and straighten that loop. Now we are grabbing another eye pin and we're picking up a dark blue Imperial Jasper Rondelle. We're going to hold that down here. We're going to bend the wire. We're going to come in with our wire cutters. We're going to trim that little end. And now we are forming our simple loop, rolling the wire towards us. Now we're going to grab another eye pin and we're going to pick up a purple agate 4 millimeter. And we're going to bend that wire down. We're going to trim the end. And we're rolling the wire towards us, forming a simple loop. Let's talk a minute about the crystals. If you choose a larger width crystal, you will need to add beads onto this part of the connector. This one will fit into a triangle, but on this particular one, you would need to add probably 2 or 3 beads to have the triangle come up to the top and be able to connect. So I just wanted to point that out. This is a smaller crystal. Bigger crystals, you might need to add 2 or 3 4mm round sodalites. We're going to connect the earring now. We are going to open the loop. The loop is opened just like a jump ring. We're just moving it, and then you put it back. So we're just going to open that up. We're going to connect it and close that loop. We're going to pick up our eye pin. We're going to open the loop. Connect it. And close the loop. Picking up our dark blue Imperial Jasper rondelle, we are going to open the loop, and we're going to connect one side, the other side. I find that if you hold the earring upside down when you're connecting it, it tends to come out right the first time. So we connected our Imperial Jasper. Now we're going to connect our purple agate loop. We're just going to open that loop. We're going to attach it. Close the loop. We're going to pick up our ear wire. Ear wires are open the same way as a jump ring, just like a simple loop. We're going to open that, connect it, and then close the loop. And the earring is complete. I'm going to show you a couple of projects that were just added to howcraftcollection.com. This is the Stardust Necklace or bracelet. It can be worn either way. It's created with purple and stone beads from howcraftcollection.com in this amazing star agate. You can wear it as a bracelet. You wrap it around your wrist twice, or you can wear it as a necklace. And this bracelet necklace was created using simple loop techniques like you just learned for the Stardust earrings. And then this is the Stardust bracelet necklace, pink. And we have various pink and darker pink stones from howcraftcollection.com. And this rose quartz connector. It's created using the simple loops that you just learned. And it's also a wrap bracelet. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. We are also on Facebook and Twitter. Visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspiring projects, great weekly sales. Every week, Howcraft has a new sale with new arrivals added weekly. And I hope you have a great day.